Hey guys, Dr. Beddoe here, physical therapist, and today I want to talk to you guys about strength versus power. Now, a lot of your guys' workouts are focusing on strength, one rep max. Maybe you guys are going for 6 or 8 sets. Nothing wrong with that. You guys are building up a lot of strength, and you guys are moving a specific weight, a specific speed, right? You guys lifting it up. Power is going to be focusing on the timing aspect as well as the weight aspect. Now, when you guys are focusing on power, we're focusing on building up endurance. We're focusing on building up some more fast twitch muscle fibers, not just slow twitch muscle fibers. And we're going to be focusing on building up that muscle's capacity a lot more because we're focusing on time and weight, not just the weight. So, what that would look like for you guys in the sense of performing a motion is performing it quickly. If you guys are performing a pull-up, you guys are going nice and slow versus you guys are going fast. And we're going to be focusing on higher reps versus lower reps. When you guys are focusing on just weight and trying to build up muscle mass overall, you guys want to focus on heavy weights, only performing a few repetitions. But when you guys are focusing more on power, we want to focus on moving as fast as we can for a certain duration of time with a much more higher repetitions. Now, I think personally that power is more effective in our daily lives. If you guys are active, power workouts can be more effective to keeping you guys in a transitional environment where you guys can take the gym into the real world. Weight's going to be a lot more effective for showing off, being able to lift heavy pounds, building up a lot of that muscle. I think that it's important to fluctuate between both so you guys are challenging your muscles in a way that's having both and having that dynamic capacity to it, and so you guys don't have to plateau in your workouts as much. I hope that helps. Have a good day.